this International Yoga Day, I would like to tell we all need to work on our physical and mental health, and it's never late. Yoga is making me better today than yesterday. Thank you.
This yoga day, I would really encourage everyone to be more healthy, eat healthy, sleep healthy, and exercise as much as possible.
And it's my advice to everybody so that they should engage themselves in yoga, they should practice yoga. Yoga should be an essential part for our daily lives. So it's a must to exercise because it's hard to find time in the daily routine, but I must say that you should go and give at least 1 hour to yourself.
On this International Yoga Day, I want to say to everybody that not only for your physical health but for your mental health you should join yoga, definitely.
And thanks to Octavia Yoga for having us this session, and wishing you all a good health and again a happy International Yoga Day.
I would recommend everyone to do it yourself for a couple of months and realize the difference of being healthy on this International Yoga Day.
One of my favorite quotes that I always remember is, "You cannot pour out of an empty cup." Self-care is very important before we can take care of others around us. Doing yoga as the first thing in the morning is a form of self-care for me. Amount of positivity that I derive out of this stays throughout the day. Yoga is the best form of exercise, and the only thing you need is a good guru to get started. Be regular in your classes, do the asanas correctly, and do not try to push yourself too much. Wishing you all a peaceful and healthy life on International Yoga Day.
On this International Yoga Day, I recommend everyone to practice yoga or be it any physical activity, ensure so that you are keeping your body and your mind active. So yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, keep practicing yoga, and thank you, Priya, for being a wonderful tutor. I always look forward for your classes each and every day. So thank you. Thanks all.
On International Yoga Day, I request everyone practice yoga regularly and keep your body and mind fit and healthy. Thank you.
I believe yoga is more of an inner peace practice. From giving strength to increasing flexibility, from giving peace to providing glowing skin, yoga has become a major part of my daily routine. I begin my morning by doing at least 7 sun salutations, and this fills me up with a ton of energy for the rest of the day, and I'm good to go. Wish you all a very happy and healthy International Yoga Day.
You know, it's a beautiful practice which calms you down, relaxes your body, both physically and mentally. All I want to say, you guys, that this Octave Yoga teaches me how to live a good, healthy life. And you know, we should give 1 hour to ourselves every day to live a good life, healthy life. So guys, wish you a very happy International Yoga Day. Thank you.
On this International Yoga Day, let's take a pledge. Spend 1 hour of your time daily on practicing yoga asanas, pranayam and meditation, and improve your health and happiness.
On International Yoga Day, I wish you a healthy body, a spiritual soul, and brilliant mind. Feed these 3 building blocks of your life every single day. Thanks a lot.